Model, 2004 Ford Transit 2, 4TD125 PS Minibus starts drives IDWAL camper conversion. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 56,560. Engine, 2,402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Needs multiple injectors replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This has an injected diesel knock, especially when cold, clears up once warm, simple repair if you know what you're doing. Genuine low mileage minibus grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.